This review is for the Runcam Night Eagle camera. As you can see here, it's pretty awesome. When we're looking at these videos, if you'll notice when we passed by the car, I was in complete darkness. I mean, I was not able to see anything in front of me without additional light. The sodium lights on the ends of this building here only really illuminate that location. Everything else you see is ambient light that's being picked up by that particular camera. This thing is insanely good at night vision, but it's also not too bad at daytime. Here's a little clip that I've got here where I was using the Runcam Eagle as my flight camera, but one of my old Mobius cameras as the, well, you could call it HD, but it was in soft focus, so maybe PD for, you know, poor definition, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so I had it poorly focused, but you can see the little insert is very visible, very clear. In fact, even more clear than the Mobius footage. But you can see you can fly this thing day or night, and it is absolutely wonderful. You just got to get over the fact that you can't see color. Anyway, this has been my review of the Night Eagle camera, and I had it placed in this old ZMR 250. Gotta love it.